So hello and welcome to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove the plastic cover for the Ford Focus MK4 mirrors. So left and right, basically the same one, it's just around over here, and there is some few types of these with the pedal light, with the sensor, without the sensor, without pedal light. So yeah, let me show you the plastic first. Only two I believe that you're gonna need is this plastic remover. So let's see, this pin over here is most important, and this one clicks in. So basically, yeah, as you can see over here, so that's from the open side. You take your plastic cover and you start like this. Always this side first, you put it into the place, so like this. Always this lower side first, like this. So I hope you can see. So, and then you turn it around and you can see over here. So after that you just click it in. You need to click it, it's not that hard. So that's how you put it back. Now to remove it, that's the point, the part where you need the plastic too. So glass, put the glass there, plastic tool like this from this side. Be a little, I don't know if you're gonna see, be a little gentle with this. You don't want to break the glass, but it should be pretty much easy to take it out. So somewhere around here in the middle, that's the best where you wanna take it out. So like this, yeah. So once the glass is out, so this there is few different types of the glass. This one has only 2 pins for the heating, but there is when it's that one with the sensor, then it's 4 wires. And now, so let me show you the most important part of all of this. So that pin that I said most important, this one over here. So you need to put this pin a little bit up like this. Put that with your hand, so like this, click it up, and then plastic tool over it, so about here. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna zoom really good, but yeah, click up and open up with the plastic tool. So maybe like this. Zoom out, no. So click the pin and then you just open it up. So oops, it's not that hard. You just need a little bit of strength. So like that. And then the second pin is inside that too, but those don't hold that hard. That one has. So that's how you open it up once again. So the most important pin, this one, and these 2 bad boys are located over here. So look at my finger. So here, this over here, and this pin over here. These are the 2 most important ones. So once again, you take back, click it from down, from here up, click back, take the glass. So once you click everything in, you need only to turn around and put your glass back. So yeah, as you can see over here, glass, plastic, everything is covered. So you can do all this while the mirror is on the car. I just had these on on shelf. So yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share, and hope I can see you next one. So till next one, see ya.